Let's introduce to LeeTop A203 Carrier Board for Jetson Nano TX2 NX. LeeTop Tech Jetson Xavier NX Subkit, power-efficient AI edge development with compact module, delivering over 10x performance compared to Jetson TX2, consuming as little as 10 watt. Cloud-native support transforms AI software deployment, enabling designers to create breakthrough products with accurate, multimodal AI inference in small form factor solutions. LeeTop A203 Carrier Board, NVIDIA Jetson Nano Xavier NX TX2 NX compatible, featuring HDMI 2.0, Gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.0, M.2 key E Wi-Fi BT, M.2 key M SSD, CSI camera, Rs 232, SD card, CAN, PIO, I2C, I2S, fan and more. Ideal for graphic AI applications with NVIDIA Jetpack support, offering a comprehensive software package for deep learning, computer vision, GPU computing, multimedia processing, and more.
Technical specifications is given below.
Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from TANNA TECHBIZ. Together, stay connected.